Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on glitch video edit on CapCut. So after you import your video, if you want to make it like have a glitch effect, you can just first trim the video into a few parts. So the way you trim, it's up to you. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, and after that click on the transition box, this one's right here, click on that, and then here at the transition find the glitch category, this one, and after that just click on the one that you want, but I'm going to just use the basic glitch. Click on that one, then just wait until it apply to your video. Okay, so it has been applied, and to make it apply to all of the clips, just click on apply to all and click on a check icon, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in following videos. Thank you.